Hey, this isn't our project for today, but this is my next project. This video, we're going to build this. A walnut bathroom vanity with grain matched door and drawers. This isn't too unlike the last vanity that I built. Glued up some walnut to make the legs. If you haven't seen the video where I make this clamp rack, check the link up above. Made the first one, then decided, well, you know what? Should make the other ones. Second one, third one, fourth one. So you always got to make some parts. Bottom, sides, dividers, drawer stretchers, and top stretcher. And then they all had to get banded. Creative Director loves when I use her $100 iron. Now next time I got to do a better job of keeping these pieces from gluing together. Still don't have that planer, so I got to size them up on the table saw. But I do have the sander. Now the difference in construction with this vanity as opposed to the last vanity is that I cut the side panel to the right dimension and put the pocket holes in the right place. I just screwed the bottom to the bottom of the panels. Put the top stretchers in so they would hold the dividers in place, and use drawer stretchers as spacers. And made up a little spacer to hold the drawer stretcher in place while I installed the drawer hardware. The most important part of this build was building it so the doors and drawers would grain match. I cut the right side drawer stack first. Cut out the door, and everything's just getting cut to width. And the left side drawer stack. Turn the pieces 90 degrees and cut out the top drawers. Left and right. Cut the middle drawers, left and right. And mark their position so I wouldn't forget. And finally, the bottom drawers. And I marked their position so I wouldn't forget. And then laid everything back out just to make sure. And lastly, I cut the door. And since we have plywood, got to band all the edges. So this is the banding that I'm using this time. I have a really good supplier for my walnut banding, but I got this online, and this is even better than the stuff I used before. It had just a little more glue, which really works out when you're doing all four sides. Now I can't just put one color on here, because that would never pass the standards of the creative director. This color was a little too orangey reddish, so we had to wipe another color on there, yellowed it up a little better, and then we got the color the creative director was looking for. Used a conversion varnish sealer and some finish. I used the holes for the hardware to help me install the drawers. Drawer hardware holds it in place just enough to where I can reach through the top and screw it off from the backside with some drawer screws. No, I do not pick out the hardware. Finished up, looking for a home. And here is the new home. So if you like what you see, leave a comment, subscribe, watch all our videos, and we'll see you next time.